Hi everybody, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy.
And this is what's happening for the week of May 19th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Amy, we're still on the patio.
We are on the patio. It's so nice. I don't think I'm gonna go in.
I don't think so either.
Nope.
Amy, tell us what is going on this week.
Well, there's gonna be a hand surgeon here.
Cool.
Dr. Christie is gonna be here on Wednesday, May 21st to talk about So Your Hand Hurts. That's the name of the program. So a lot of people have hand stuff. If you want to learn about this, come on in. And then the Lunch and Learn this Wednesday is on May 21st, and it's with Linda Ketcham. She's the executive director of Just Dane. So come and learn how they provide opportunities where everyone has a chance to succeed.
I love that.
I know. Let us know if you're coming for lunch the day before, so don't forget that. Otherwise, you might not get lunch. And then check the newsletter out for the new summer hours of the FUN group, the ukulele group. The summer schedule takes effect in June. Mandy.
Yes. Hey, mark your calendars May 30th from 11 to 2. The Wood Carvers are offering a great opportunity for both seasoned and those who are curious about maybe starting the carving.
I think I might go.
Yeah. Starter kits are available for purchase, just $25 each. And don't forget to register by the 30th.
What do you think's
before
in
the
the
30th?
starter kit? Like a
Wood?
knife and wood?
Sculpting knives?
Cool.
I don't know.
Doing it.
Sounds like
Fun.
I shouldn't do it. I'm klutzy. Hey, does your smartphone irritate you?
Yep.
Do you have burning questions about how to use your smartphone?
Sometimes.
Hey, we've got Callie here on Friday mornings. She is first come, first serve.
She's
Don't
great.
miss it. She's great. She's so adorable, too.
Yeah.
Hey, keep in mind, the Senior Center will be closed on May 26th in observance of Memorial Day. Yes.
We won't be here, so you shouldn't be either.
No, don't do it.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Hey, guys, don't forget to get out here and get some patio time in. It's a delight.
All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you out here.